Hi, and welcome to our review of Reclaim.ai. What if your calendar could think for itself, understand your work style, and make smart choices about your time without you lifting a finger? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Reclaim.ai is like having a super smart personal assistant who's always working to keep your schedule perfectly balanced. But here's what makes it really special. Have you ever wondered how much time you waste just trying to schedule meetings and manage your daily tasks? Reclaim.ai steps in as your intelligent calendar assistant, working with tools you already use like Google Calendar and Google Tasks. It automatically finds the best times for everything you need to do, from important meetings to those crucial breaks you need throughout the day. What can you actually do with it? First, it handles all your scheduling headaches. No more back-and-forth emails trying to find meeting times. It creates simple sharing links that make scheduling a breeze. But what about those big projects you never seem to find time for? That's where Reclaim.ai really shines. It automatically blocks off focus time in your calendar, making sure you have dedicated hours for important work. Speaking of important work, how often do you feel like your personal time gets pushed aside? Reclaim.ai is smart enough to protect your work-life balance. It schedules your tasks, habits, and even personal commitments in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Want to make sure you have time for exercise, family dinner, regular team check-ins? Reclaim.ai makes it happen. The real magic happens when it starts learning your preferences. What times of day are you most productive? When do you prefer to take meetings? It picks up on these patterns and schedules everything accordingly. Plus, it's thinking about things you might forget, like adding buffer time between meetings so you can actually take a breath and prepare for your next conversation. Users are absolutely loving it. One small business owner mentioned, it's completely changed how they manage their time. Another user shared how their marketing team uses it to handle scheduling for over 150 agencies and hundreds of clients every month. Now that's impressive. Getting started is super straightforward. You just connect your calendar, set a few preferences, and let it do its thing. The AI, yes, this is an AI review, keeps learning and adjusting to make your schedule better and better over time. Want to learn more about Reclaim.ai and see if it's right for you? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for Reclaim.ai for our complete breakdown and latest updates. Thanks for watching.